I am heading to the Thailand factory where our bikes will be made. It's the first time I'm visiting. Let's see how it goes. Excited to have a look. Have a look at this. So we're just going to have a look at the factory. Okay. Hi. Oh, that's Sally, by the way. Sally, say hi.
Warehouse for the raw materials.
Okay.
Here I can for some materials and some for the complete good.
Okay.
We separate to different locations for different parts.
Okay.
To check the wheels.
Okay.
Firstly, we assemble the wheels. That's to pre-install some small parts.
Okay.
For example, the handlebar.
Okay.
Or some other parts.
Okay.
To put the wheels.
Okay. Okay.
And also that is the shelf to put the brakes.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is the assembly line.
So it starts here. Okay, so this is 1,400 square meters, right?
Yes.
1,400. Hey guys, just I want to brush up on the visit. Important things I learned from there was, which is very exciting of course, is the fact that our bikes will be made in Thailand. So no more worries about anti-dumping or the US-China trade war. The duties are going to be very minimal since they are going to be exported from Thailand all over the world. The other important thing we learned was that there will be about 1,000 bike capacity reserved per month for us in terms of production. And I think overall it was a great visit. And so soon our next trip will be to China at the main development factory, where we'll be quickly getting our molds made, getting our designs from prototype to the production phase, and that will require some amount of development time because designs will have to be changed based on pressure die casting, etc. Especially when it comes to the handlebar, because it's a handlebar that's never been made before, and even certain parts in the frame. So very excited, and I cannot thank you guys enough for having the patience and continuing to believe in us. Thank you so much, Ultra Army. I'll keep you guys posted as soon as we have important news from our China visit. And till then, hope to see you guys again soon. Bye bye.